Discover the world's most exclusive escapes, private islands, luxury resorts, and unforgettable retreats. This is JetSet Hideaways, where your next dream destination begins. Tokyo. A metropolis defined by its relentless, dazzling momentum. Down at street level, it is a brilliant symphony of constant motion, a kaleidoscope of glowing neon, the synchronized rush of a million footsteps at Shibuya Crossing, and the electric hum of a city that never truly pauses. It demands your energy and captures your imagination at every single corner. Welcome to Aman Tokyo. Designed by the late visionary architect Kerry Hill, this ultra-modern sanctuary manages a brilliant contradiction. It does not isolate you from the sprawling metropolis below. Rather, it elevates your entire perspective of it. Hill didn't just design a hotel, he crafted a love letter to traditional Japanese aesthetics, flawlessly reimagined for the 21st century. But nothing quite prepares you for the heart of the hotel. It is an undeniable architectural masterpiece. You step out into a soaring, cathedral-like pavilion that reaches nearly 30 meters into the sky, dwarfing you in the most comforting way. Crossing the threshold into your private suite, you realize that traditional Japanese minimalism hasn't just met uncompromising luxury, it has completely redefined it. There is a profound sense of intention behind every single detail. As you move through the room, the senses are quietly awakened. The subtle, earthy scent of natural camphor wood fills the air, acting as an instant balm for a travel-weary mind. As you slip off your shoes, the delicate, woven texture of fresh tatami mats gently massages your feet, grounding your every step and rooting you in the present moment. Imagine ending your day not just with a bath, but with a deeply rooted Japanese ritual. The bathing suite is its own private sanctuary of dark, textured stone, but the undisputed centerpiece is the traditional Furo deep-soaking tub. Carved from solid basalt, it is designed specifically for profound meditative relaxation. As you sink chest-deep into the steaming water, the heat immediately begins to melt away the physical fatigue of navigating the bustling streets below. But it's the flawless positioning of the tub that truly takes your breath away. Placed perfectly flush against expansive floor-to-ceiling glass, it gives you the exhilarating, almost surreal sensation of floating right on the edge of the sky. If your suite is a personal haven, the Aman Spa is a sprawling, dedicated temple of wellness. Spanning 2 entire floors, an absolute rarity in a city where space is the ultimate luxury, it is designed to facilitate a complete and profound reset of both body and mind. When it is time to dine, the culinary journey at Aman Tokyo proves to be equally transcendent. Up here, dining is not merely a meal, it is a meticulously choreographed performance. Across every venue within the hotel, the underlying philosophy remains exactly the same. Every single plate is a flawless reflection of its environment. There is a deep, unwavering commitment to 3 things: breathtaking precision, undeniable beauty, and a profound, quiet reverence for the ingredients themselves. Ultimately, as your stay comes to an end, you realize that Aman Tokyo is so much more than just a luxury hotel. It is, quite literally, a state of mind. It is a masterclass in the art of perfect balance. As you stand by the glass one last time, watching the tiny headlights streak through the streets far below, you feel a rare and profound sense of clarity. It provides you with the rarest modern luxury of all, the physical and mental space to simply pause, reflect and breathe, right in the very center of the most vibrant city on earth. If you enjoyed this journey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments, give the video a like, and subscribe to join us for more unforgettable escapes around the world. When you're ready to plan your own escape, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description. This is JetSet Hideaways. Where to next?